guys, and welcome to another edition of Flaming Barrel Monkeys Tech Junkies. I'm Sean McGoey. Today we are talking about the DJI RS2. I went down to B&H down in the city yesterday. I was doing some work in the city, visiting some friends, so we thought we would pop into B&H because I was in the area and I needed to pick up some gear. So this video is not affiliated or funded by B&H. We buy all our own gear that we do reviews on. So yeah, well, let's get on to do the unboxing of the DJI RS2. This is what the box looks like. This is what you get in the box. So we're gonna do a little unboxing today. I'm kind of excited to see. I waited till today so I could share my excitement, so you guys can see what is in the box. I believe the research that I did on this, it comes with a case, which is kind of cool. When I went into the city yesterday, I was not planning on getting the RS2, but unfortunately the DJI S, the original, didn't fit my camera that I'm going to be using this with. I need something a little sharper. So, c'est la vie. I would end up having to, after a while, upgrade it anyway, so it's better spend the money now and then have to spend the money now and spend the money later. So I spent a little bit more on this one than I expected to, but yeah, that's the demo that I saw in the showroom was I was really impressed with it. We put my camera that I'm going to be using, actually the camera that I am shooting the overhead or over my shoulder, is the camera that this is going to be going on. I'm going to be doing some work on a sailboat in August. That's one of the reasons why I got this, other than I'm starting getting more and more into cinematography, so I thought a gimbal would be a good investment in the company. So that's what it looks like. Let's see, can you guys see it? Let me do this. So that's what the gimbal looks like. So all of you that do not know what a gimbal is a stabilizer for your camera. So when you're doing moving shots like walking, it will keep your it'll keep the camera and the shot level, so you don't have that extreme bounciness like some shots have. So I have to give a shout out to the guys in the gimbal department at B&H. They were awesome, really knowledgeable, great guys. If you're ever in the city, it's a adult toy store. Definitely check it out. It's really cool. They have everything that you could think of in camera gear and cinematography gear that you'd ever need. The place is massive. It's on Broadway. Oh, yes, it does come with a case. So let's reveal. That is a beautiful case. I'm extremely happy that the other the DJI S, the original one, it came with a case, but it was like, it was a production case. It was something that was like not that nice. This one's much nicer. It was pretty much just a styrofoam case that the DJI S came in, which it's handy totally for traveling and stuff like this. This one's much more compact. It comes with a flap that I guess you can put your manual in. One thing I like about this this gimbal too, it has so many cool features. Oh, is there something in there? Nope, just a small. This is probably for like all your little accessories and stuff like that. I don't think that's not gonna fit in there. So this is the Pro. Oh, let me put it down so you guys can see it. So that's what the case comes with. Beautiful case. One thing I like about DJI is they think about almost everything when they're designing things. Let's see. So there's 2 compartments. It looks like. Looks like there's a bigger zipper here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's just. Oh no, there is. There's two compartments. So let's see, what do we got? What did we get in the Pro? So we got the plate. It's a nice quick release plate. That's on this side. I love all these pockets too to keep everything organized. These are probably the clips. Yes, they are. You got screws to mount your camera. These look like data clips. There's a bunch of different accessories that you can buy with the thing that are handy. This one looks like it's for the stabilizer. If you have a long lens, I'm gonna have to do a little reading on the accessories. It should be in the book because they're pretty thorough about stuff. And whoop, it's got a ping. So, and these are the gimbal accessories. So this is one of the arms for the gimbal. Let's see, what else do we got? We got, oh, another one. Oh, sweet. So it comes with two of these plates. So if I have a second camera that I want to use it with, I can do a quick release. That's pretty cool. This is the battery. It's a pretty honking battery. It feels good on the hands. So it slides into the gimbal. After I do this review, after I'm work with the gimbal for a little bit, I'll probably do a second review on it and tell you my thoughts and tricks. So this is the tripod for it, which comes in so handy, especially when you're shooting on location and you need to put the camera down. Instead of leaning it on something, you can just put the tripod down, and it's a second handle too. So you have 2 handles, which makes it really handy. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Actually, so throw it up in the comments and I will try to answer it either on screen or I will answer it after I get off the broadcast. Let's see, so that's that. That's all the accessories. There's probably going to be a little bit of putting it together. So it looks like one of the pieces is not hooked up. Okay, here's the second layer of the case. Let's see, what do we got? We got more cables. Wow, we got a lot of cables. We got a lot of the cables are USB-Cs, but there's like all kinds. Oh, sweet. I think I might be able to hook this directly into the camera, which then I can do autofocus and the fun stuff like that. And I was wondering about that because I contacted DJI and I talked to them and they didn't know if my cinema camera would work with the original DJI RS. So, okay, let's reveal this. So this is what the gimbal looks like. Oh, that's so cool, and it doesn't have a lot of oh, nice. So I should be able to put this together, and then so this is the main part of the gimbal. It goes like this. Camera goes on here. It has the quick release for, these are for leveling it, but it also has auto level, has locking mechanisms, which makes this one awesome. The first review that I did was on the the SC, which unfortunately didn't fit the camera either. I bought it and then I had to return it to the company, which, you know, it is what it is. But I also have that review up, or that unboxing up, and I do have some footage of me using it. It wouldn't fly. It's not working. Oh, look at that. So this little rolling swivel, this is for, like, if you have autofocus on your camera, you can use this. There's probably multiple functions like zoom and things like that. If you can hook the camera up to the gimbal and have the brain of the gimbal work with the camera. And then they have another button here, and there's multiple functions for that too, like centering the gimbal back up if it gets off centered. And this is just a rubber piece. I don't know what that's. I'm not sure what that's for. And another cool thing about this one versus the other ones, this actually has an LED screen, which the other ones don't. It just has a button that toggles through, and you have to use your cell phone to manipulate the programming in the gimbal. So let me put that back. I'm so excited. I'm gonna probably, after I get off this this broadcast, I'm going to set it up and then start working with it. Let me see. Hold on a minute. But the case is beautifully designed. I'm loving the case. Let's do that. Let's do that. I'm gonna put this here because I'm not even gonna put it away. So I am totally excited to just start working with this because I need to practice before we go on the sailing trip in August. So that's about it for us. I hope you guys liked this soft review that we did, the unboxing and going over some of the functions that I know so far about it. I've done a little research on it before I bought the S, and then I looked at the RS, and I wasn't planning on buying it, but things happened, and you know, you got to get what works with your equipment. So again, my name is Sean McGoey, and this is Flaming Barrel Monkeys Tech Junkies. Keep teching on, folks. We'll see you in the next review. Enjoy.